This is it? Poggers.
See Mr. Hai.
Oh yeah? Mr. Hi.
Yeah.
Hello. What? Do I get to sit in one of these chairs?
Sit here.
It's like a king. Holy moly. This place is made out of marble. So I sit here?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Oh. It's a new year, so I need a new look. And I need shorter and cleaner.
Short a bit and short in size.
Yeah. And then a little bit off the top too. Okay. Can you put the battery in? Charge it. Did dye your hair? I can't dye my hair tonight, can I?
A few hours to dye.
And it would take a long time. Yeah, so let's do a prediction. Over or under $15, which is about, let's say over under 300K. Now we're in a salon that's full of gold and granite. So I don't know, chat. It's starting. Okay. Now remember, chat, this is the best salon in all of Saigon. At least that's what Nick says. Maybe we just color my hair gray, so I look like an old man. Should I do it? How long would it take?
About 1 hour.
1 hour? 2 hours? Wow. That looks clean as hell. Of course I'm so white underneath. The fade in the back is really good. Wow. I don't know. Should I color it? You think yes too? All of chat says yes, and now you say yes also? But what color do I get? You think gray? Really? Chat. Oh no. This is the best haircut I've had in a long time. Holy shit. It's so good. Can they show me the colors or no? Let's see it, chat. Let's see it. Alright, I may have been talked into this. Oh, can we ask how much this costs for this only though? $200! All the overs are losers. $430? It's easier. Yeah. And it's 1.5 million for this? Okay, I'm actually very hungry though. There's a problem. So what time do they close here? Should we go get a snack and then... Okay, we'll think about it. So if we get here by 6, we can finish it. Okay. My hair. It looks really good. Thank you. Come on. Come on. Holy shit. I haven't had a good haircut in so long. It's because I have to make YouTube videos where I get shitty haircuts in the streets of Saigon. Yeah. All my hair. Oh no. Oh no. Can you hold on to this for a second? Did you tip at all or no?
Yeah.
How much did you tip?
50.
Okay. Dude, maybe we'll do blue. But I feel that I already did blue hair.
But very good on you.
I want something new.
Okay. But
Like I really want to try like white or gray. Maybe we come back. Come on. Silver? Maybe we vote for it. Can we eat something? Sit down and eat?
Yeah, we go to dim sum.
You want to eat that now? Or later?
We're very hungry.
Okay. We're gonna go to the... Are we close to it? No. How far are we?
Not very far. Is it outside?
Up to you. I don't care. It's nice in here.
Yeah.
Jay, no hair color. Why? Okay. This is what's happening right now. We got the cut. I said that I wanted to think about what I wanted to do. If I really wanted to get my hair colored. And I'm not 100% on it yet, but I might, okay? I might. I don't know. Rip the fade because it will dye your skin. Oh, shit. They're professionals, though. They obviously know they just gave me a fresh fade, and they're not going to dye my skin. I hope. What food is this? We just got some chicken pho real quick. Standard Vietnamese meal. But her and I are splitting one because we're gonna eat later. So it's just a small snack until later. Uh-oh, this is gonna be dangerous. Wow. Alright, just a little bit of chat to hold me over and help me make this decision. How much was it? 76K. It's expensive for a bowl of kind of water. For each? No, for both. I think everyone's gonna be disappointed if I say no.
Yeah.
Not to disappoint you guys, but I have plans to be in the water, and I feel like that's just gonna ruin the dye job. Right? Swimming in the ocean and being in pools, it's gonna mess up my hair. Oh, I know what we can do. Here. You take this, put it in one of your hands, go behind your back. Don't tell me which hand it's in.
Yeah.
And then I pick a hand. Right. Okay. Switch it up back there.
I know.
Okay. If I pick, chat, if I pick the hand that has the bottle cap, I will dye my hair right now.
Okay,
You can't switch them.
ready.
So then you can put it in front if it's all ready. Okay, put it back. I trust you. Switch it up again. If there's a bottle cap inside, I'll dye my hair right now. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. My mother told me to pick the very best one, and you are it. Y-O-U spells you.
Left hand.
That one.
You have to dye your hand.
Oh!
They choose the right one.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
No, I'm not cheating, chap.
You didn't cheat?
No cheat. Try that whole time.
What color are you gonna get? I'm gonna get gray. I've always wanted gray. Last time I dyed my hair, it was blue, pink, and purple. The time before that, it was like gold blonde, platinum blonde. Oh, the warning zone. Oh? Oh? Oh?
1, 2, 3, vô 2, 3, úp.
Dude, New Year's Eve hair dye. Oh no. Are you happy about this? She's like, ah. Okay, the drinking is starting, chat. New Year's Eve, 5 o'clock. Here we go.
What do you want?
I'm going to drink Tiger. Can I get it in a bottle?
Yeah.
Very classy. Do they have corn flavor? Corn flavored Snickers? What do we have here? We have Kit Kat bars, which look to be green tea flavored. I mean, they have corn flavored stuff all the time. Just doesn't happen to be right here. Some squid. Wait. This says that we should eat it with beer. Wait, roasted dried file fish? Ying, do we need a snack? Dried file fish? Stinky? Oh.
Skin?
No, it's okay.
Seaweed.
It's okay. I mean, if you want it, you can. The spicy one was good. Chili. Oh, I thought you liked these, remember?
Oh.
Those are super good. We just got 4 beers and 2 snacks to eat with them for $4. Oh, Vietnam, man. It's just too much. It's just too good, right? Okay, Neener, good job.
Yeah.
Do you want to do anything to your hair today too, or no?
Wait for you, I'm drinking.
So Ying's gonna get fucked up, is what she wants to say. Oh, there's a lot more people in here now. So I give myself probably about 8 more months. Okay. We're doing it, chat. Here we go. It's been about 6 months since I had those. I wish I could walk into my hairdresser with a beer in hand. Dude, that's become a thing everywhere, I think. I went to the barber shop in San Francisco with my boy Ryan, and he walked in, and they asked him if he wanted a beer while he was sitting and waiting. So I think that's a thing all over the place now, right? Here's the thing. When this is done and I grow my my beard out more, chat, I'm gonna dye my beard gray also. Heck no.
100 buttons. What color are you dyeing your hair?
We chose a gray color, chat. It's making me sweat. It's hot in here, chat. Make sure you get the eyebrows. We are not going into the eyebrows, chat. There's no way, man. But I would like another beer, if possible. We're gonna go wash again? Okay. Be careful, Chad. Hanging out and like I don't know. This is not what I wanted it to be. Chat, I'm only going to one place to get my hair done ever again. And it's dude, I think we just cut our losses, chat.
What do you think?
Let's celebrate and suck some dick.
What if we just make it blue? What if we just go full blue?
Blue. That's why I said blue from the beginning.
Let's go. It's not that big of a deal. Give it time, you'll be great tomorrow. I know, dude. My hair was white. I don't understand why we just can't make it whatever color I wanted. Right?
But
Like-
this one more smoky before just white.
I know,
Now
but
smoky.
why couldn't we make it gray like I wanted?
Great. Because he say that for a lady, but for men is the I don't know.
I don't give a fuck if it's for a lady. I asked for it.
I know, but the color you choose, his responsibility. If you choose the color, he want to make the same. If you want darker,
No.
it's not
His
the same.
responsibility is to make me look how I want to look, not what fucking color or
But
not
the
I
color,
chose.
I don't want to look over because you choose that the color and they want to make the same that color. want that or you do not?
All right. How is it fucked up? Here, I'll show you guys what I asked for.
Okay.
Time to go?
You want to take some more?
No, that's okay. There's no color in it, so I don't need it. Oh, they cut it too short. I like the hairstyle. Almost. Almost, yeah. I mean, we bleached it 3 times, so I feel like I should be able to get whatever color I want, right? That's my, like, I'm not angry about that it's not the color, but then they try to say, like, this is what you ordered, this is what you get. Like, just give me what the fuck I want, right? Is it lost in translation? I think a big part of the problem is that Ying is just, like, plastered.
Plaster.
You're very drunk.
No.
No?
Why I'm drunk?
I don't know, dude. We're shaving my head tomorrow, so it's my fault. You're right. It's my fault. It was my fault from the beginning. Fuck me, dude.